I remember there was a time all I tried to do was to forget George.
Message 1. Sean, this is Mom, just calling to see what you're up to. Are you still watching those birds? Uncle Matthew said he saw you hanging around on the street. He said hi to you and you didn't even look at him. Would you please call me back? I just want to make sure you're okay. Love, Ma.
When I was 13 years old, I was diagnosed with schizophrenia. Ever since then, only when I watch the birds I can feel myself existing.
Hi.
How have you been?
Fine. Sorry I'm a bit late.
No. It's quite all right. I ordered you a coffee, and I know how you like coffee with sugar.
Yeah, sugar.
You know, everybody in Hollywood drinks theirs black, but you and me, we
drink ours with sugar. Yeah. So what have you been doing lately?
good. I've been observing the birds, getting more detailed with my notes about them and their patterns in the mornings. And you know me, I've got birds.
Since I broke up with George, I try to forget him by watching the birds more often.
Could you please forget about me?
It's not a problem. I don't think I could remember you if I tried.
Sean, this is your mom again. When are you gonna call me back?
Mom, it's a really bad time right now. I can't hear you. It's bad reception. I'm gonna have to call you back.
But at least tell me this. How did it happen?
What do you mean, what happened?
Come on, you and Nancy.
I don't like women. I already told you that. I don't. But I gotta get the role.
Liar.
Are you crazy? What we did out there, it was on purpose. We knew we were being photographed.
You liar. You think I'm just gonna be like another one of your bandwagon fans and go see your movies at theaters?
Tonight's breaking entertainment news. Sugar Lovers actor George Brooks and actress Nancy Adams are rumored to be dating. The stars were recently sighted and photographed kissing in public. It appears the couple is getting steamy on and off the screen. Before Nancy Adams joined the cast of Sugar Lovers, it was rumored George Wilson was having a secret affair with a bird enthusiast known as Sean Spencer. The latest on-screen romance adds an interesting twist to George Adams' private persona. Which way is he going? Is it actor?
There was a time I felt the bird growing inside my body. I would become this bird one day. Who is this bird? Is it me? Or is it George? Or is it just one of the birds I watch?
Hey, I'm calling you back. Just want you to know that I received your call last night. Listen, Sean, I can't bear this edgy feeling anymore. I gotta keep moving. And I just wanted to clarify that we're done. Bye. Hi, this is George. Leave a message and I'll call you back.
George, I want to meet you tomorrow for one last date at noon at our favorite place, the diner. I'll see you then. Bye.
I don't like women. I already told you that.
As I remember, George never showed up that
But I gotta
afternoon.
get the role.
I knew he wouldn't, but I would still sit there and pretend I was waiting, waiting for my lover to show up.
I can't live without you, George. We could have had such a happy life together. Come on, let's go back to my place. I want to show you my new artwork. The check's on me. Let's go.
It was wonderful. Will we rekindle our love? Or will I transform into a hopeless case of mania and depression and sadness? One of the things I've been giving a lot of thought to lately is how unique my feelings and love for you are. If there's one thing I know for sure, it's that you and me were meant to be together. I think it's very symbolic that all this bird stuff going on within me lately indicates how deep my love is for you and our future together.
George, I was just thinking about you. I was thinking of that time when we were in Colorado when we first met. And I was watching the birds and you were hunting the birds. Come in, come in. You sitting here or are you sitting here? That's always been your favorite chair, George. I knew you would ask. I've been painting. I'm doing it, George. I'm painting. I'm becoming the Birdman.
Hi, this is George. I don't like when guys. I already told you. So what have you been doing lately?
I'm watching birds, George. I'm watching birds. I'm watching birds. I'm watching you, George. I'm watching you and the birds.
This breaking news just in. The LAPD are telling us that the star couple Nancy Adams and George Wilson were shot this morning by an unknown assailant while walking on 6th Street. The stars were each shot by one arrow. Police say witnesses believe the arrows had been fired across the street from inside a residential building. Luckily, the TV stars were rushed immediately to a nearby hospital.
Please, open the doors!